Hi Jaylas! Today we're going to make a minimalist cake. Yung cake ni customer ay white lang pero yung dedication niya ay multicolored. Ang size ng cake ay 7 inches and ang flavor ay strawberry tres leches. Hindi ko na pinakita yung pag-fill at pag-frost in between layers ng strawberry tres leches. Pero kung gusto nyo makita, pwede nyo hanapin sa mga previous videos ko. So before ako nag-pipe nitong multicolor dedication, naglagay muna ako ng white underneath. The reason behind this is para hindi siya mag-stain yung mga colors sa mismong cake. And also added texture siya na parang naka-embossed yung ating dedication. I think we have 6 colors in total. We have red, purple, blue, yellow, orange, and green. That's the real time of me piping dedication. Ganyan talaga kabagal. I take my time para less mistake and less ulit, especially that white yung cake natin. Napansin ko nga na nanginginig yung kamay ko while I was doing the dedication. Naalala ko nagkape kasi ako before I did the cake. Yung peg ng cake na to ay very Korean. Usually nakikita ko to sa mga Korean IG account na cake makers din. They like minimalist cake with bright colors. Kala mo ang simple lang no, pero ang daming hugasan later. And here we're adding the bunny. So white lang din siya. And then we're going to put eyes, mouth, and yung parang blush niya na effect. Nagkamali nga ako dun sa eyes and yung parang nose niya. So I have to do it again. Tinanggal ko yan kasi hindi ako satisfied sa look. So I used toothpick to remove it. And in-smoothen out ko din yung bunny design before I put the eyes and nose again. Ganyan lang siya. Ginamitan ko lang siya ng toothpick hanggang matapos yung bunny design. Ayan lang. We're just needing a tiny amount of dark color. I used chocolate ganache for this one. Hindi na ako gumamit ng super black kasi para maiwasan yung stain sa ating white icing. And here's the final look of our cake. Ito yung peg ni customer. What do you think? Nakuha ko ba? And that's it. Also, I have another cake order na same colors with the previous one. So, I am happy na gamit ko yung mga naunang icing na nagawa natin. Another minimalist cake. Size is 7 inches also at ang flavor ay red velvet with dedication na happy birthday love. Diba ang sweet? Ayun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and until next time, bye!